Nobel Prize-winning doctor. Just eat these every day and you will live to 100, not what you think. Welcome to an enlightening journey into the remarkable science of longevity, a topic that transcends mere wishful thinking and delves into the measurable biological processes within each of us. This discussion centers on how daily choices, particularly what we consume, profoundly influence our cellular health and consequently our lifespan. It's a compelling truth that your cells are experiencing a process of aging, often at an accelerated rate beyond what is natural or necessary. This isn't a speculative theory, it's a verifiable biological reality. At this very moment, sophisticated scientific instruments and microscopic analyses allow researchers to observe the intricate mechanisms of cellular aging. They can detect the telltale signs, such as the gradual shortening of the protective caps on your DNA, known as telomeres. With every breath you take, every meal you eat, and every moment of stress you endure. The profound implications of these findings have captivated the scientific community, leading 3 distinguished Nobel Prize winners to dedicate decades of their lives to unraveling the mysteries behind cellular aging and, more importantly, discovering the means to decelerate this fundamental biological clock. These groundbreaking scientists have individually, yet convergently, illuminated pathways to enhanced longevity and health. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, a pioneer in her field, meticulously identified the intricate biological clock that operates within every single cell of our bodies. Her work laid the foundation for understanding how our genetic material is protected and how that protection diminishes over time. Complementing this, Dr. Yoshinori Osumi brought to light the astonishing internal recycling system of the human body, revealing how cells meticulously consume and repurpose their own damaged components to maintain youthful vitality. This process, termed autophagy, is a cornerstone of cellular renewal. Finally, Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan unveiled the atomic-level architecture of ribosomes, the tiny yet immensely powerful protein factories nestled within our cells. His research underscored their pivotal role in synthesizing the very proteins that underpin all life functions, thereby holding a key to sustained cellular integrity and longevity. What makes these discoveries particularly empowering is the revelation that simple, accessible foods, many of which are likely already present in your kitchen, possess the remarkable ability to communicate with your DNA, instructing your cells to undertake vital repairs, bolster their defenses, and shield you from a myriad of age-related illnesses. Before we delve into the specific dietary recommendations championed by these Nobel laureates, we extend an invitation. If this is your inaugural visit to our platform, please consider subscribing. Your support enables us to continue delivering scientifically validated health insights that genuinely contribute to well-being. Furthermore, we cherish the opportunity to connect with our global audience. A simple comment indicating your location helps us build a vibrant community of individuals dedicated to living longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn's monumental contributions to science were recognized with the 2009 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, an honor she shared for her groundbreaking discovery of telomeres and the enzyme telomerase. To truly grasp the significance of telomeres, consider a simple everyday analogy: the plastic caps or aglets found at the ends of your shoelaces. These small, often overlooked components serve a critical function, preventing the lace from unraveling and becoming unusable. In a strikingly similar fashion, telomeres operate as protective caps for your DNA strands. Each time your cells undergo division, a constant, essential process for renewing old skin cells, facilitating wound healing, or mounting an immune response against infection, these vital telomeric caps experience a slight shortening. This reduction in length is a natural consequence of cellular replication. However, when telomeres reach a critically short length, the integrity of the DNA is compromised, leading to cellular dysfunction. Cells can no longer perform their roles effectively, they age prematurely, and ultimately, they succumb to death. This cascade of events is a fundamental driver behind the onset and progression of many chronic diseases that collectively account for the majority of human mortality, including heart disease, Alzheimer's, type 2 diabetes, and various forms of cancer. Dr. Blackburn's extensive research, published in numerous prestigious medical journals, has unequivocally demonstrated that chronic psychological stress significantly accelerates the shortening of telomeres. A poignant study conducted in collaboration with psychologist Dr. Alyssa Eppel highlighted this connection. Mothers who were caring for chronically ill children exhibited telomeres that appeared biologically a full decade older than their chronological age. The duration of their caregiving responsibilities and the intensity of their perceived stress directly correlated with the degree of telomere shortening. This compelling evidence underscores the profound impact of psychological well-being on our cellular aging process. Yet, the story doesn't end with a bleak prognosis. Indeed, it offers a remarkable breakthrough. You possess the agency to actively protect your telomeres through strategic lifestyle interventions, most notably through your dietary choices. A landmark study published in the highly respected journal Lancet Oncology revealed that individuals who adopted specific lifestyle modifications, which crucially included the incorporation of certain foods, experienced a significant surge in their telomerase activity, ranging from an impressive 29% to a staggering 84%, all within a mere 3-month period. Dr. Dean Ornish collaborated with Dr. Blackburn on this pivotal research, and a subsequent 5-year follow-up study further solidified these findings. Participants who consistently adhered to these lifestyle changes saw their telomere length increase by 10%, a truly remarkable reversal of the typical aging process. In stark contrast, the telomeres of individuals in the control groups who did not implement these changes continued to shorten by an average of 3%. The foods that possess this extraordinary capacity to safeguard your telomeres share a potent commonality. They are abundantly rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. A rigorous study conducted by Ohio State University, published in the esteemed journal Brain, Behavior, and Immunity, provided compelling evidence that elevated levels of omega-3 fatty acids in the blood corresponded directly with longer telomeres, indicating a protective effect at the cellular level. Further bolstering this evidence, research conducted at UCSF, where Dr. Blackburn continues her pioneering work, meticulously tracked 608 patients diagnosed with heart disease over a 5-year period. The findings were striking. Those patients with the highest concentrations of omega-3 fatty acids in their bloodstream exhibited the slowest rate of telomere shortening, a direct correlation published in the highly influential Journal of the American Medical Association. Complementary research disseminated in the journal Clinical Nutrition further elucidated that omega-3 fatty acids present in bodily tissues play a crucial role in mitigating telomere attrition and actively counteracting the processes of premature aging. Beyond omega-3s, a large-scale clinical trial known as VITAL demonstrated that vitamin D supplementation also delivered substantial protection, reducing telomere shortening by an impressive 140 base pairs over a 4-year duration. So what specific foods embody these protective qualities? To boost your intake of vital omega-3s, prioritize wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds. For a potent dose of anthocyanins, compounds renowned for their ability to reduce DNA damage, incorporate blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries into your diet. Spinach, kale, nutrient-dense broccoli, and vibrantly colored bell peppers are exceptional sources of vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate, all of which are indispensable for maintaining DNA integrity and protection. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice, alongside legumes like lentils and chickpeas, provide essential fiber and a spectrum of B vitamins. Studies conclusively show that folate is absolutely required for the synthesis, repair, and metabolism of DNA within cells. Moreover, high levels of homocysteine, a compound effectively managed by adequate folate intake, are consistently linked to shorter telomere lengths. Research research published in the European Journal of Nutrition revealed that individuals who regularly consumed carotenoid-rich foods, the brilliant pigments responsible for the vibrant hues of many vegetables and fruits, possessed significantly longer telomeres. Finally, mushrooms deserve special mention, as a 2017 study in the Journal of Nutrition established a clear association between vitamin D levels and telomere length, further highlighting their importance. Moving beyond DNA protection, Dr. Yoshinori Osumi received the 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his revolutionary discoveries concerning autophagy. The very word autophagy originates from Greek, meaning self-eating, a concept that, while initially sounding alarming, describes a profoundly beneficial and essential cellular process. Simply put, your cells possess an innate, intelligent mechanism to literally consume and recycle their own damaged, dysfunctional, or unwanted components to ensure their survival and facilitate their renewal. Dr. Osumi's pioneering investigations began in the early 1990s, where he meticulously studied yeast cells. He subjected these cells to nutrient deprivation, essentially starving them, and then genetically modified them to prevent the complete digestion of cellular material. Within mere hours, under the precise magnification of a microscope, he observed the dramatic accumulation of tiny, membrane-bound recycling sacs, which he termed autophagosomes, piling up within the cells. This observation was the pivotal breakthrough, a scientific revelation that opened an entirely new and expansive field of research. His seminal discovery unequivocally proved that autophagy is not a random or uncontrolled event. Rather, it is a highly regulated, deliberate process specifically triggered by nutrient deprivation. It represents a fundamental survival response wherein cells intelligently repurpose old proteins, dilapidated organelles, and other cellular debris, converting them into vital energy resources. This intricate recycling process is not merely an energy-saving mechanism. It is absolutely fundamental for promoting longevity because it actively prevents the dangerous accumulation of cellular junk, damaged molecules, and dysfunctional organelles that directly contributes to the aging process, exacerbates inflammation, and serves as a precursor to various diseases. When autophagy was initially observed in the 1960s, its full significance and underlying mechanisms remained largely enigmatic to scientists. It was Dr. Osumi's meticulous work in the 1990s that meticulously identified the specific genes responsible for autophagy in yeast, and critically demonstrated that remarkably similar mechanisms are at play within human cells. His elegant experiments fundamentally transformed our understanding of cellular health, revealing an intrinsic cellular cleanup system crucial for sustained vitality. Extensive research published in numerous peer-reviewed journals now consistently demonstrates that deliberate periods of fasting, typically ranging from 12 to 24 hours, serve as powerful activators of autophagy. Scientists have compellingly discovered that caloric restriction, even for relatively short durations, effectively switches on specific genes that put cells into a preservation mode, rendering them remarkably resilient to disease and cellular stress. A notable 2023 study published in Science Direct investigated healthy young males participating in Ramadan fasting, which involved 17 to 19 hours of daily fasting over a 29-day period. Blood samples collected during the study revealed a significant increase in the activity of autophagy-related genes, with peak activation observed during the mid-fasting periods. This scientific finding unequivocally confirmed that intermittent fasting is a potent trigger for these essential cellular cleanup mechanisms. Further insights into the power of autophagy come from studies of blue zones, unique regions across the globe where populations routinely achieve exceptional longevity, with a significant number of residents living well past 100 years of age. In areas such as specific communities in Greece, residents traditionally observe approximately 150 days days of religious fasting annually. This deeply ingrained cultural practice, coupled with their adherence to a Mediterranean diet rich in fresh vegetables and olive oil, is a significant contributing factor to their extraordinary longevity. Beyond dietary interventions, physical activity also serves as a potent activator of autophagy. Research clearly demonstrates that engaging in moderate aerobic activity and consistent endurance training effectively induces autophagy in both muscle tissue and crucial brain regions. Studies conducted on mice have shown a direct increase in autophagy following treadmill exercise, and emerging human data strongly suggests that exercise regulates autophagy in tissue-specific ways, promoting cellular repair and renewal where it's most needed. Furthermore, the activation of autophagy has been robustly linked to enhanced protection against debilitating neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. So how can you actively harness and activate this vital cellular process within your own body? The answer lies in mindful eating patterns. Practice time-restricted eating, a strategy where you condense all your daily meals into a specific 8 to 10 hour window. For instance, consider eating only between noon and 8:00 p.m. This simple adjustment provides your body with a consistent 16-hour period without food, allowing ample time for autophagy to initiate and perform its crucial cellular cleansing. Equally important is to cease the habit of constant snacking. Allow 4 to 5 hours to elapse between your meals. Autophagy only truly begins once the glycogen stores in your liver are substantially depleted, a process that typically requires 14 to 16 hours of fasting. During these fasting periods, you are encouraged to drink water, black coffee, or green tea, as these beverages will not break your fast and can even enhance the benefits. When you do break your fast, certain foods further support autophagy. Green tea, for example, is rich in EGCG, a powerful compound known to promote autophagic activity. Cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower, contain sulforaphane, a potent compound that activates key autophagy pathways. The fundamental key to successful autophagy activation is consistency. Your body requires regular, predictable fasting periods to consistently trigger and maintain this essential cellular cleanup system. Completing the triumvirate of Nobel Prize-winning insights into longevity, Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan shared the 2009 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, alongside Thomas Stites and Ada Yonath for their groundbreaking work in elucidating the atomic structure of ribosomes. Ribosomes are often described as the microscopic factories within every single cell, responsible for the intricate and precise production of all the proteins that make up your body. Their function is absolutely fundamental to life. Ribosomes act as molecular translators, meticulously converting the genetic information encoded in your DNA into a vast array of proteins. These proteins are the essential building blocks that construct your tissues, the warriors that fight off infections, the repair crew that mends damage, and the intricate machinery that drives thousands of biochemical processes, all working in concert to keep you alive and thriving. Every single protein in your body, from the enzymes that digest your food to the antibodies that protect you from illness, is meticulously synthesized by ribosomes. The health and efficiency of your ribosomes are, therefore, directly linked to your overall cellular vitality. Healthy, well-functioning ribosomes ensure that your cells can continuously produce high-quality proteins with optimal efficiency. This sustained protein synthesis helps to maintain the strength and integrity of your tissues, provides robust support for your immune system, and crucially, slows down the inevitable decline associated with age. Dr. Ramakrishnan's pioneering use of X-ray crystallography allowed him to map the incredibly complex structure of ribosomes at an unprecedented atomic level, providing invaluable insights into their function. Research published in the esteemed journal Nature Communications has since reinforced the profound importance of his work, demonstrating that protecting and optimizing ribosome function through strategic nutritional choices can extend both overall lifespan and, equally important, health span, the period of life spent in good health. So, what specifically can you do to support these vital protein factories within your cells? Providing high-quality proteins is paramount, as they supply the essential amino acids that your ribosomes require to build new proteins. Excellent sources include wild-caught fish, pasture-raised eggs, and grass-fed meat, consumed in moderation. For those seeking plant-based options, hemp seeds and spirulina offer complete amino acid profiles. However, it's crucial to understand that quality often supersedes sheer quantity. Studies indicate that a moderate protein intake, typically around 0.8 to 1 gram per kilogram of body weight, optimally supports ribosome function without overtaxing cellular processes. Conversely, consuming excessive amounts of protein can, paradoxically, be counterproductive, placing undue strain on the cellular machinery. Beyond protein, magnesium plays an absolutely essential role in ensuring that ribosomes function properly. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate, specifically 70% cocoa or higher, are all excellent dietary sources of this critical mineral. Notably, just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds can provide nearly half of your daily magnesium requirements. Furthermore, foods rich in B vitamins are crucial for supporting the very production of ribosomal components. Leafy greens, avocados, and legumes supply vital folate and other B vitamins that are indispensable for the synthesis of ribosomal RNA, rRNA, a key structural and catalytic component of ribosomes. Research into caloric restriction also offers promising insights. A study published in Nature Communications found that even a moderate reduction in calorie intake in mice resulted in a proportional extension of their lifespan. This benefit is partly attributed to a reduction in the metabolic burden associated with constant ribosome production, which allows cells to reallocate precious resources toward repair and maintenance rather than continuous, unbridled growth. Adequate restorative sleep is another critical pillar of ribosome health. Research published in Nature Neuroscience has revealed that sleep deprivation, particularly in older adults, significantly disrupts ribosomal activity. It is during periods of deep sleep that your cells undertake extensive repair work, a process that heavily involves the efficient functioning of ribosomes. Aim for a consistent 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to support these vital cellular processes. Finally, physical activity, and particularly resistance training, significantly enhances the efficiency of protein synthesis. Studies convincingly indicate that engaging in resistance training, especially in older adults, stimulates ribosome biogenesis, the creation of new ribosomes, and markedly improves muscle protein synthesis. This helps to effectively maintain crucial muscle mass as you age, directly combating age-related muscle loss. It is truly remarkable how the foods and lifestyle habits that support optimal ribosome function align seamlessly and perfectly with the other Nobel-winning discoveries, highlighting an elegant synergy within our biology. Nutrient-dense diets, sufficient sleep, regular physical activity, and mindful, moderate eating all work in concert to ensure that your body's intricate protein factories continue to operate smoothly and efficiently for many decades. Drawing upon the profound insights from these 3 Nobel Prize-winning scientific discoveries, we can construct a practical daily eating plan designed to optimize your cellular health and promote longevity. Let's outline a sample day. Your first meal, ideally consumed around noon to facilitate a fasting window, could consist of 2 eggs prepared with sautéed spinach and tomatoes, accompanied by a handful of antioxidant-rich blueberries and a cup of green tea. For your midday meal, aim for a substantial salad featuring a generous mix of diverse greens, a colorful array of fresh vegetables, chickpeas for plant-based protein, and pumpkin seeds for magnesium and healthy fats, all dressed simply with olive oil and fresh lemon juice. This could be complemented by a side of quinoa or brown rice to provide complex carbohydrates and fiber. The evening meal, ideally concluded by 8 p.m. to establish your fasting period, might include wild-caught salmon 2 to 3 times per week, or another fatty fish rich in omega-3s, paired with steamed broccoli and Brussels sprouts for sulforaphane and vitamins, alongside a sweet potato or lentils for sustained energy and fiber. For those rare instances when a snack is truly needed between meals, opt for walnuts and berries, a small piece of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, or sliced vegetables with hummus. The timing of your meals is just as crucial as the content. The directive to finish eating by 8 p.m. and not to eat again until noon the following day establishes a 16-hour fasting window. This extended period without food is paramount as it allows autophagy to activate, giving your cells essential time to repair themselves and recycle damaged components rather than being in a constant state of processing incoming food. During this fasting window, you are encouraged to drink water, black coffee, or green tea, as these beverages will not disrupt your body's fasted state. It is vital to understand that these are not magic foods or exotic elixirs. Rather, they are the highly efficient fuel for the microscopic yet immensely complex machinery that tirelessly works to keep you alive and thriving. These carefully chosen foods actively protect the delicate caps on your DNA, activate your body's intrinsic cellular cleanup system, and meticulously maintain the optimal function of your protein factories. However, diet is just one component of a holistic longevity strategy. It is imperative to combine these dietary recommendations with other scientifically proven lifestyle interventions. Stress management, for instance, is critical. Incorporate practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises for at least 12 minutes daily to mitigate the telomere shortening effects of chronic stress. Regular physical activity, such as brisk walking or cycling for 30 minutes on most days of the week, provides robust support for all three interconnected cellular systems. Prioritize obtaining 7 to 8 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep each night, as this is a crucial period for cellular repair and ribosomal activity. Lastly, maintain strong and supportive social connections. Numerous studies have consistently shown that healthy, positive relationships are directly linked to longer telomeres and overall enhanced well-being. Ultimately, the pursuit of longevity isn't about expensive treatments, fleeting fads, or miraculous supplements. The groundbreaking work of these three Nobel Prize winners has irrefutably demonstrated that your body is inherently equipped with sophisticated, self-healing systems, mechanisms designed to repair itself, meticulously clean damaged cells, and effectively decelerate the aging process. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn's research conclusively showed that by protecting your telomeres through thoughtful dietary choices and conscious lifestyle habits, you can significantly prevent the onset and progression of the diseases that claim the lives of most people. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi revealed the profound power of regular fasting periods to activate autophagy, your body's natural and highly efficient cellular recycling system. And Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan meticulously demonstrated that by nurturing your ribosomes with high-quality nutrition and supportive lifestyle practices, you ensure that your essential protein factories continue to operate with optimal efficiency throughout your life. The cumulative body of research, spanning over 2 decades and consistently supported by thousands of peer-reviewed studies, firmly confirms that telomere shortening, a deficiency in autophagic activity, and the decline in ribosomal function are all significant contributors to major chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease, Alzheimer's, various cancers, and type 2 diabetes. These are not mere theories or untested hypotheses. This is Nobel Prize-winning science, rigorously backed by empirical evidence. Every single meal, therefore, presents itself as a powerful opportunity, an opportunity to send precise and beneficial signals to your cells, instructing them to repair yourself, protect yourself, stay strong. The most encouraging aspect of this scientific wisdom is that you don't need to follow these guidelines with absolute perfection from day one. Begin incrementally. Start by simply adding more colorful vegetables to your daily meals. Experiment with eating within a 10-hour window a few days per week. Make a conscious choice to include fatty fish in your diet twice weekly. If this information has illuminated a clearer, more actionable path toward healthier aging for you, we sincerely encourage you to share this invaluable video with someone you care deeply about, a parent, a spouse, or a friend. Anyone who aspires to live a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Type yes in the comments if you are ready to embark on this journey and actively support your body's extraordinary natural longevity systems.